Salih Emre Özdemir. I have finished my PhD dissertation and I decided to publish my thesis as video YouTube series. To adapt to today's digital world, I publish my thesis as video series. Normally, I prefer to publish as book or article, but I think we need to make a new interpretation and we need to be open-minded at academy. Let me introduce my dissertation. I wrote my thesis on the transformation of Islamism from opposition to power, and I wrote an alternative historiography of Islamism. I am saying an alternative because so far Islamism has been written according to Western perspective. It's called Eurocentric historiography. What is the Eurocentric historiography? This mentality mentions about the progress of Western concepts and institutions. According to this mentality, the movements emerged against the Western civilization or Western interests are classified as marginal or other or reactionary. Generally, Western historiography defines Islamism as hostile of civilization. According to Western minds, the civilization is one, and it's Western civilization. If we make another interpretation of civilization or modernity, you are marginal or you are reactionary because you don't accept exact way this understanding has emerged as a result of multidimensional transformation of European states. European states transformed from church system to civilization, and they decided to make civilized rest of the world. And the Western states made a new classification of the world. According to Huntington, it's West and the rest. With this perspective, we cannot define and understand non-Western institution and consideration. After understanding these points, why should we write an alternative history? First of all, we don't live at Eurocentric world anymore. In the non-Western regions, new powers are emerging, such as China, Russia, India. In the Islamic world, we face different chaotic situation. And first of all, we have to analyze the problems. The West presents its own transformation as a model for rest of the world. This policy affects historiography. I mean, after understand this effect and this situation, we can approach to local moments from another perspective. And I propose a new periodization of modern history by using Muslim methods. It's an alternative perspective to understand modern history and Islamic history. Yes, the first episode is finished. I introduced my thesis very briefly. Next episode, I am going to talk about Muslim methods and the alternative periodization of Islamism. Thank you very much. See you soon.